Hello everyone, another recipe here for you guys. If you're craving something after dinner, a healthy, sweet, or even for breakfast, I will show you guys how to make a chocolate chia pudding. It's very easy, it's healthy, it's delicious. I will list all the ingredients in the description below, so let's get started. And for this recipe, you only need a few ingredients. You're gonna need a bowl like this, and then we're gonna start adding our almond milk. Then next, our pink salt. And here I'm using the organic cocoa powder. Make sure to get everything here, no wasting, guys. Now we're gonna start stirring here until we mix all the cocoa powder and the milk and the salt together so that there's no lumps. Now let's add the sugar alternative. I'm using the erythritol and monk fruit, but you can use any sugar substitute of your preference. And now let's add our chia seeds. And this is an important step right now. It's important for you to keep stirring until the cream is not liquid anymore. It's going to start becoming a little bit thicker, almost already in the consistency of the pudding. Look at this consistency here, guys. It's starting to get thicker and it looks like the pudding is almost ready. But keep stirring a little bit more. So the pudding is almost ready. Look at this consistency here. That's how you want your pudding to be. So keep stirring a little bit more. But we are almost there. And our pudding is ready. So to store this pudding in the fridge, you will need a container just like this one. You can get a smaller or a larger size. And we will start now putting all this pudding inside of the container to keep in the fridge. Trust me, it's better when it's a little colder, so don't skip this step. Look how creamy and delicious this looks already. Yum! So now place your container in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until it's colder, so then it's ready to serve. Now our chia pudding has been in the fridge and is ready. You can have this as a dessert, as a snack, or breakfast. You can even have the chia pudding without any toppings because it already tastes chocolate, it's delicious, it's creamy. Or you can be creative and add the topping of your preference. I like to add some toppings to my chia pudding, so here I'm adding some dark chocolate chips from Trader Joe's. I also like some fruits, so I'm adding some blueberries, strawberries, and wild berries. And last but not least, I will add some shredded coconut. Coconut goes well with everything. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. Leave me a comment below if you made this recipe at home and if you thought it was delicious. I'm sure you will love it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe so we can stay connected. See you on my next video!